Hi, I'm Rick Viers with the Sound Effects Bible, and today we are going to be smashing up the station wagon. Rolling, action, record, red button, hurry! I'm thinking about being on a set, gotta keep things moving. So here's what we're going to do. We've exhausted the car for all the engine sounds that we can get. We disconnected up to 3 spark plugs. The thing finally would not start. And now we're going to go ahead and set some mics up inside and outside, and we're going to start attacking the car with a sledgehammer to get some good crash sounds.
All right, when you're ready.
All right, so we're wrapped up with the car here. Can you see me? Or are you going to pan up to me? It looks like you were going to pan up to me. What?
You just worry about what you need to say.
Well, I didn't know if I should
I
wait
got
till
you.
you
It's a
got
wide
over.
shot.
Oh, okay. Is that a fat joke? All right, so as you can see, we're pretty much done with our vehicle. We've done everything from popping the tires. We've smashed all the windows, the grill, plastic parts, metal parts. We got just about everything we can drain from this car. So we're going to call it a wrap. We'll see you guys next time on soundeffectsbible.com.